Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off breaks on TikTok that you've set earlier. So first we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. That's going to take us to our profile page. When we're here, we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner and it will pop up a navigation menu. Here we're going to select the last option or the fourth option. We have settings and privacy. It's going to take us to our settings and privacy. Now we're going to scroll down onto content and display. And we're going to select the option screen time. That's right above family pairing. And now we're going to select the second option we have here below daily screen time and above weekly screen time breaks. So we're going to click on that and we're going to click on off. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!